Hi everyone, I just wanted to go through the announcements for today for the agenda. So go through the slides. The slides basically are going to cover everything in this outline. I want you to start today by doing a review. So you're going to write down these four graphing problems, and then you can either graph them on your own and check your answers on the video, or work along with me while you work through the video. So this is the next slide, which is the video. And then you're going to write down four problems that you're going to practice solving. Same deal, you can solve them on your own and check the video for answers, or work along with me. The next slide is just the video. Okay, here's our big reminder slide here. So you can see that in the blue here, we have, these are all of our Chapter 3 homeworks. Those will count towards your Chapter 3 homework average. And then in the green, you will see that we have all of the Chapter 3 quizzes. That'll count towards the Chapter 3 quiz average. And then your new assignment today is the Chapter 3 test review homework. And that, of course, will count as your Chapter 3 review. And please note that all of these are due midnight, October 22nd. So tomorrow night at midnight. Everything here you should have already done, but I would go use this list and go back and check and make sure. And if you have a quiz or homework that doesn't have a score that you wanted to have, please redo it and get a score that a little bit better score. It can only help you as you go to your test on Thursday. Keep in mind that you do need to check back for the module tomorrow, because tomorrow's module will have the test in it, okay? So notice that the Chapter 3 test will be assigned on Thursday. It will be up for you at 7 a.m. Obviously, you don't need to do it at that time, but it's available for you at that time, and it is due at midnight. So this Thursday at midnight here has a lot of things due. It is all of the Chapter 3 assignments. That includes all of the homeworks on the last page and all of the quizzes on the last page. It includes the Chapter 3 review and the Chapter 3 test. So this Thursday at midnight has a lot of things that need to be done, okay? Ideally, what you'll do is complete your review, and then if you have any questions, you can see that we do have 2 Zoom times today. One is at noon, and then one is at 2 o'clock. Please make sure that if you have questions that you write those down and bring them with you, because if you say question 7, the Math Excel scrambles those questions. So your question 7 may not be the question 7 that I'm looking at. So it's important that you write them down and bring them with you. You can either tell me them out loud, or you can write them in the chat feature, or Canvas message me a picture of it, whatever you want to do, but it'll be more beneficial if you write it down and tell me what your question is. Notice that there's not going to be any Zooms on Thursday, because Thursday is our test, okay? So we should be ready for it at that point. Thursday is your day to make sure you've got everything turned in and then take that test.